Hello developers, welcome to Full Stack Adda. Let's learn something new today. Today we are going to learn about text blocks in Java. To understand this video content, you must be having Java knowledge. So let's start our today's video. Normally in Java, if you want to write multi-line string in Java, you must use slash and escape sequence, which actually inserts a new line. If we look at this in this example, here I have an address without text block string. Here I am using slash n at the end of every line. And we get the output like this. Using text block feature, you don't have to use slash n to create new line. And it was added in Java 15 version. To use this feature, you must use JDK 15 or higher version. And now how do we write this text block? So to write text block, you first need to write 3 double quote characters, and you can end with this with another 3 double quote characters, and in between these pair of 3 double quote characters you can write any number of text lines, and we get the same output. And one important point to note here is when you are writing the first line of text, you must write the text in the next line only. If you write this first text line in the same line of the starting 3 double quote characters, you get compile time error. And this last 3 double quote characters adds a new line, and if you don't want to add a new line, you can just write these 3 double quote characters in the last text line. And you can also use the double quotes within the text block like this. Previously, if you want to use double quotes within double quotes, you have to use slash, this slash, and double quotes. Now you can directly use the double quotes within text blocks. With this feature, 2 more escape sequences also got added. One is slash yes, another one is slash. Here I have used slashes after hnum. It simply adds one white space. And slash, it means it indicates that don't add these two as two separate lines, just add them into the one single line. It means it indicates the line continuation. And now if there are any white spaces before each line, they will be removed according to these particular below rules. If there are same number of white spaces in each line, all those white spaces will be removed. In this example, there is one white space before each line. So in the output you see all that one white space got removed. If there are odd number of white spaces before each line, the least number of white spaces will be removed. If you look at this example, the first line has 2 white spaces, and the second line has 4 white spaces, and third one has 6 white spaces, and the last one has 1 white space. So in this case, only 1 white space from each line will be removed. And this last 3 double quote characters also plays an important role while removing the white spaces. If these 3 double quotes placed after the text, white space before the first character only will be removed. In this example, there is one white space before the text, so that one white space will be removed. If this ending 3 double quotes placed before the text, space before these 3 double quotes only will be removed. So this is all about text blocks feature in Java. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.